still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go, go.
Okay, you see, this is what happened. I wanted to see if I can get a puti selfie stick, bago, but there's no more. Lucky for me, the store has a new staff, and the staff that was to be here before, I don't know, she's lupat. Siguro na lupat siya kay wala customer service. And the new staff is very talkative. What's your name, Miss?
I'm Jane. Hi, hello.
Jane saw me and Jane was like, "Hey, I want to follow your blog." Wow, really?
Yeah.
I was going to ask about the what I wanted, but she's so excited. And then this is Jane. Jane, where are you from?
I'm from here, Philippines, Cebu City.
Cebu City. I said that.
There in
Pardo.
Balangtas. Yeah.
Balangtas.
Yeah, there.
We don't know where it's Balangtas. We're going to find Google Map na lang.
Yeah, you can find it on Google.
Yeah. You know, what a big difference it makes. Like, I come to the store one day, the tendera just look at me and then no customer service. I come 1 month later, wow, friendly customer service. But yes, people are friendly, but I don't know what happened to that one tendera at that time. Yeah.
Maybe she's not doing well.
Not feeling well, but playing video games. Busy playing video games, but not busy as a customer. You know. But anyway, sometimes you just have to give a second chance, right? Because you never know. So
Everyone has given a second chance.
a second chance.
Always a chance.
There's always a chance that something will change for the better. And I'm so glad to see this here. But unfortunately, what I wanted is not available. Yeah. So when it's available, I like customer service. When it's not available, nindot on customer service. It's very baliktad, no? but I'm happy to see this. So what happened is, actually you can see the story of Unitop here. Yeah, you find it, it's there. And that's why, I went over there to the tower over here, because when they saw me struggling, like, "Sir, can I help you?" "Yes, we can help you." Well, I just took, and then they really came here. They really came here, and they're like, okay. They talk to the tendera, and then they the ones who take the selfie, take the money, and then maybe give to her later. Yeah, crazy. So there are nice people in the world, even at Unitop. So if you come here to Unitop, and then
Our store.
what's the name of your store? ZH&K. ZH&K Mobile. So you come to ZH&K Mobile, and then you talk na lang to this one, because she will give you all the.
Always here.
She's always here. She's always very nice. And if what you want is not available, you balik na lang.
Yeah.
You balik na lang. How long have you been working here?
I'm just new.
You just been here?
Newbie.
Sure. But you feel like you've been here for a long time. Yeah.
Just
I would have thought maybe you've been here for a long time. Wow, you're very good. You're very good at talking to people. Oh gosh. I kid you not. I was not even feeling talkative, and then she's like. So I thought she's been here for a long time, but it turns out she's only new here. Oh my gosh, I'm new here. Oh my goodness. The surprises of Unitop. You never know what you're gonna get. but so how do you like working here? How do you like working here? It's okay for you? You like the environment? You worked before in customer service? No, first time working in customer service?
Working for staff.
Oh wow! Congratulations! My gosh, this is her first time working for her kinabuhi. Oh my gosh! Congratulations! Oh my goodness gracious! Yeah, that's fine. Oh my god! It's okay. I share this on YouTube, and then you can send it to your family. Yeah, they're gonna be like, "Oh my gosh! Look at my anak! My anak is famous."
I'm shy.
Me too. But the thing is, like, when I have my mask, no more shy. when I remove my mask, very shy. Because my bongot is already nindot.
It's Nindot.
Oh, you think my
Nindot.
sure? Wow, this salamat. I'm speechless ko.
I'm speechless.
No, it's okay.
My heart beats faster.
It's faster. Just don't have heart attack. No, for real. This is so crazy. So right now you already know the story of Unitop. I came here to Unitop. I needed to get some stuff, and I came to the store that I knew had what I wanted, And the customer service was just like non-existent at this particular store right here, ZHK Mobile, right at the entrance, right? And I was like, I'm never coming back to this store. It's like the people is terrible. It's like, how can the lady just look at me and then go back to playing her video game? Like, what kind of customer service is that? You focus on sa kwarta. I was complaining, but lucky for me that the other ladies in the other store saw me and they were like, "Sir, can I help you? I want to help you. What do you need? You look very soko." And then they ended up helping me getting what I need and they went to the other shop, they got me what I needed, and then they're the one who served as the middleman between me and the other customer service that was not helping. So I came back to see them to change my phone cover and also to get like a tempered glass. And then by the way, I noticed that that tendera is not there anymore. And then they told me that other tendera is no longer here. So then now I go to the store since the one tendera is not here to ask if ever they have another selfie stick because I want the white one, right? But unfortunately, the white selfie stick is not available. But what's available is an expert customer service personnel that is first time working. Like, I can't tell if this is her first time working, like, because she's so friendly, she's so good, and she's like very talkative and so on. So even though what I need is not even available, she's like, "Oh, I look at your." So it's crazy. Like, I can't make these things up. But anyway, I'm so happy for your rendition, and I appreciate that. Okay, but
you're so friendly, sir. That's why
it's if ever someone is friendly to you, you're friendly to them too. So this is normal, and that's why the other tandera, she's so very ambot. I also ambot to her.
That's funny.
Yeah, that's why I'm doing. Ano wala customer service ambot ni mo? Focus na lang sa kwarta. She just look at me. She just look at me and she go back to playing video games. So no wonder she's not here anymore. So anyway, true story of my life. This is what happens. And then a month later, there's a new one, and you've been here for 1 week, right? 1 week?
Yeah.
Well, my hope for you is that you continue working very hard. You get to know all of your customers. You give really good customer service, and then after one month, you get promoted na lang to manager.
Oh, thank you.
I hope
so.
I will share this on YouTube, okay? On my channel, you check it out, and then you can show this to your boss, to the tagiya, and tell the tagiya I say to promote you na lang. Pagdali.
My boss.
Yes, tell your boss to look at my blog and then to promote you, because the other tandera here is like, I don't know what happened to her kinabuhi, but this one is okay. This one is nindot. There's another ate here, pero murag seryoso man siya, oh. I'm sorry, man. Good. Ayote, kumusta? Okay ra ka?
Okay na, wait.
Abi na ko seryoso man ka, di ko gusto mag-disturb nimo. Pero di siya seryoso kaayo. Seryoso lang, hindi kaayo. Miss, can you say hello?
Hi.
I am disturbing your coworker because she's so very nindot, she's so very nice.
Thank you.
Yes. She provided me all customer service, even though what I need is not available. So this is good. So I was just telling her to tell her boss to promote her next month already. Yes. What's your name?
Ahmy.
Me?
Ahmy.
I am me.
Ahmy.
I'm
Ahmy.
Oh, Ahmy.
Her name is Ahmy.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. I thought, my name is Ahmy. I am me too.
That's lit.
I know. Thank you. You, me? Me too. I am me. All right. Unbelievable. But thank you so very much. You know what, Amy? I will also share with you one of these, okay? Because maybe you can also check it out. Because I'm going to name this I am me at Unitop. Ahmy sa Unitop.
Came from her name.
Yeah. Ahmy sa Unitop. Basta nindot ang tawag, but I don't know. Look, I'm gonna go because I don't want to disturb. Because all the ladies in the other shop over there, they're like, oh, you coming in along this to interview us? I don't know.
They're staring at
Yes, they are. We are. Everybody's staring at us right now, and they. I don't know. You know,
I'm shy.
I am also shy, but the Marites is very strong.
There's so many Marites here in the Philippines. Hello, Marites!
I never thought I would be having so much fun at Unitop. It feels like I'm in an amusement park right now. This is so crazy.
Yeah.
This is so
Please
crazy.
subscribe to his channel.
Yes, you're welcome. You're welcome to subscribe to my channel.
I saw her here. He's very funny and friendly too.
I am friendly sometimes.
I'm
Sometimes
funny.
I am not funny. You're the one making me laugh. You're the funny one. You are the funny one. Oh my gosh. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. You know, you have your family is where?
From Cebu.
From Cebu City, or are they?
Cebu City.
Do you have a province here?
Yeah.
No
we have
problem.
province. Hello to Dumanog.
Dumanhog!
Cebu.
Dumanhog! Oh my gosh, Dumanhog!
I came from Dumanog, Cebu.
She is so good. She's like, hello, Dumanhog. You know, you see when people go to like when people will go to competition show,
Yeah.
like in Vice Ganda, like, oh hello, hello Cebu, or hello Batangas, you know, and you are.
Batangas, huh?
I only saw on TV, but you are so good. You're like, oh hello Dumanhog.
I'm so talkative.
Dumanhog pride. So you are Miss Dumanhog or Miss Cebu?
Miss Dumanog and Miss Cebu.
Oh, she won two awards. Dumanhog
No,
and
just
Cebu.
kidding.
It's okay, no problem. You can take it all. You can also be Miss
Yeah.
Manila next year. Miss Manila.
Of course.
When you become manager or Miss Unitop naman. But maybe you're gonna have a little bit of competition from Ahmy Ms. And Ahmy Ms like, I don't want to be part. Ahmy Ms like, I don't want to be part of video no more. I'm going to hide. Joke lang ha, but she's not hiding. She's just fixing na lang the inventory. Yeah, she's fixing. But oh my gosh, this is so crazy. I don't expect I'm gonna. Wow. So you want to give a shout out to your family and relatives?
Yeah, I want to.
Who do you want to give a shout out to?
Shout out to my family there in Dumanog, Cebu. Kumusta kayo?
Dayon.
And then-
What about your family there sa Cebu City?
Yeah, my ate, she's working here too. My kuya, and yeah, my auntie there in Lahog. Hi.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. This is wonderful. And from me to all of your family, this human here is so wonderful. It's so nindot. She needs to either be the manager by next year, so that way I can balik here to the store.
Come back here.
Or if she cannot be the manager, she needs to be the tagiya of her own shop. Because her customer
I'm
service.
hoping.
Yeah, you better. Because her customer service is like unbelievable, and she's so friendly. She is amazing, and she is so friendly. Ahmy Ms like, me too. And you know what? This is why I never judge people. I hate judging people, right? And if ever I'm going to judge people, I want to judge them in the front, not in the back, because I was saying, oh, your cowboy look very serious, but she's also very friendly.
She's very friendly.
Yeah, she's also very friendly. You know, you cannot judge people just by looking at them. So.
Of course, it's true.
Yeah.
Marites.
Oh yeah. That's the story of the Marites. You know, the Marites just knows everything, but they have no evidence.
They're just, I don't know. Can't explain.
I don't even try to explain. Oh my gosh! Look, thank you so much, Unitop. Thank you so much for everything.
So much, sir.
Thank you for making me believe in this store again, because I almost don't come back here. If there's no new customer service people here, I don't come back to this store. So I'm so happy to see that there's new people. There is funny, friendly, and willing to cater to the customer. And even though what I needed is not available, is out of stock, but I know that I will come back here if ever I need something else, because there's the friendly people here. So this is a good experience, and I really appreciate it. And shout out to you,
Yes.
to all of your family, to your relatives, and also to all of your Marites on the hands on from the other
So,
store.
Marites, shout out
I know.
there.
Let's look at them. There. Shout out. Only in red. Yes. You know, the Marites is normal. We might as well shut them out.
Yeah.
But siguro di siya Marites. More curious man siya, no? They're just curious.
Just
They're
here.
just curious. Why are they having so much a good time there? This is not possible. Come on. But no. But this is really cool. I appreciate it. There's nothing else I can say, and I'm so glad. I'm so glad to have met you today. Thank you for making me laugh. I am not the funny person, but this one is like, oh my gosh, she just made me laugh right from the bat. And I did not plan to make a video here. I just wanted to ask, but then she's like, hey, you have a blog? I want to see your blog.
Yeah, because I wanted to support.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is like, you don't get this kind of encouragement and love from anywhere else in the world. Only in the Philippines.
I have a friend. He's a blogger.
Yeah?
She came from Japan.
Oh, really?
My classmate.
Ah, wonderful. Well, shout out to your classmate.
Shout out to Burning TV Vlog.
What? I will check it out. I will also look at it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can check out her blog.
What is it called? What is your friend?
Burning TV.
Training TV? I'm gonna check you out, Training TV, huh? I'm going to check you out today.
Yeah.
I'm gonna check out your blog, and I'm going to subscribe to your blog too. From Dumanhog.
Good news.
And you know, sometimes I go to Bukid. I go to because you know the city is very busy. Sometimes on the weekend I will go to Dumanhog. I will go there. I will go to what is like south towards Bato. What is the name of that place? Santander.
Yeah.
Santander. Yeah, Dumanhog is like on the other side of the car, no? Yeah. Sometimes I will go to the province. So if ever I go to Dumanhog, I'm going to look up your blog.
Yeah.
Huh? This is me confirming. But thank you so much. I gotta go.
Yeah.
Because I feel like I'm taking too much of your time. Maybe.
We can talk all day.
I know, right? I know. Maybe if I continue to stay here, you have no customer today. I want you to have some customers so you can become finally to become my manager here. So so with that I'm gonna go. But thank you so much for your conversation. Thank you so much for your historiahan, your friendliness. I appreciate that. And this was like my surprise vlog of the day. This never happens, but it's happening today. And so very special with this wonderful human here. And salamat kayo. I'll shake your hand. Very strong too, no? Wow. Sakit. So, balik-balik lang. I am me. You are you. Okay. I'm Ping. Say bye. Say bye. Ito na ko. Next time I come here, I'm gonna come to your store. Okay? I'm gonna buy something. Unbelievable. I gotta get out of here. So, this was my crazy Unitop experience. And honestly, there is never a dull moment. Unexpected moments, never dull moment. And you know, those are the memories. Those are the memories that makes life, that when you look back at them, makes life worth living. So, shout out to all the people at Unitop that have made me want to balik. Shout out to the followers. Shout out to the newfound friends in the world, in Cologne, at Unitop. I'm gonna dedicate this video specifically to Unitop. Okay? Salamat mga Unitop. But for now, I have to go. Ato na ko. I need to get some lunch. Brotom ko. So, on that note, I say Ping. Ciao. Until next time.
I never answer to no, man, I still go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way.